Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix user action required unable to download the file, fail to download. So if you are getting this error while downloading the Escape from Tarkov game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to connect or disconnect to a VPN. So you can connect to any VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, etc. and then select different location than your current location and then check. Now, if you're already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 2 is to spam clicking the retry button. So when you get this error, keep on tapping retry button. So keep on clicking on retry button until the download starts. You have to click on this retry button several times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, maybe 10 times, 15 times. So you have to keep tapping on retry button until the download starts. Fix 3 is to delete the save game files and system files. Now before following these steps, first close the BSG launcher first and then follow these steps. So what you have to do, open the file explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data over here, then click on this view icon, then click on show and then check mark hidden items, then open app data folder. Now you have to delete the battle state games folder from each of this folder, from local folder, from local folder and from roaming folder. So first open the local folder, look for battle state games folder. Here is the battle state games folder. Right click on it and then select delete. Now go back, open local folder, right click on battle state games folder and then select delete. Then again go to app data, open roaming folder, again look for battle state games folder, right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now go ahead and try to download the game again. If this workout also fails, then here follow the fix 4 by using CMD code. So in Windows search type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. I have given this code in my video description. And then paste it over here and then click enter. Now go ahead and try to download the game. And after the download completes, then again open CMD as an admin and type this code in the CMD command and hit enter. Now close this. That's it. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix user action required unable to download the file, fail to download error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.